Hello everyone and welcome back to Brainwaves. Today we are going to talk about the map method, map function. So in this session we are going to talk about what is the use of map method, what is the syntax and the different programs. So what actually map method is? So what is the use of map method? If we want to perform any operation on every element of an iterable, every element of iterable every element of the iterable, then we use the map function. Whenever we want to transform every element of the iterable, then we use map function. The syntax of this map function is similar to the filter function. If you are directly watching this video, then I'll suggest to watch the video of the filter method. There also we pass the function as the first argument. The second argument is nothing but the iterable. Already we have talked about what is the function, why we pass function and why we pass iterable in the filter method. So you can watch that method and then you can watch this particular video. So I'll directly start with the example now. So I am having one list, suppose L1, and here I am passing certain elements like, and now I want to square out all the elements. So here we'll utilize the map function. Here I am utilizing lambda again, lambda function x, and I want to square off every element. So that's what square of 2. And here I need to pass iterable as we have mentioned in the syntax. So L1. And it should be a list. Type should be a list. So I need to convert it into the list. And the result I need to store. So I am utilizing res variable to store the result. And now I am printing the result. So see, the square of every element is printed here. Now we'll take the another example which we have used for the filter method. So the same example here I am quoting string 1. I am taking, suppose, welcome to Brainwaves. And now I want to convert the string into the uppercase. So I am utilizing the map method. Here I am utilizing lambda inside into x and this x dot upper. And here I am passing the iterable st of 1. This I need to convert into the list. And I need to store it into the result. And now if I try to print the result, I am getting the result, but it is in the form of list. So I'll try to convert it into the string by utilizing the join function. And here I am passing the result. And finally, again I'll try to print now. So here you will be able to see welcome to Brainwaves. The input was the small case letters, the small case strings, and here I am getting the output in terms of the uppercase string. Let me take few more examples. Suppose I want to print a program to print the ASCII values, of the characters. Here I am taking one string, so string 2 is equals to, I am simply taking A, B and C. I am utilizing map method. In this I am passing again lambda x, and to return the ASCII value, we are having the ORD method. So ord of x, it will return the ASCII value of the characters, and I am utilizing here str2 as an iterable, and it will return the result in terms of the list. And again I am storing it into the result, and I will be printing the result. So here you will be able to see the ASCII value of capital A is 65, ASCII value of capital B is 66, ASCII value of capital C is 67. Program to find the palindromes. Here I am taking the list of strings L1. So palindrome strings are the string. If I reverse the string, after reversing, I will get the original string back. Then we call that strings as palindrome strings. And now I want to print only the palindrome strings from this list utilizing the filter method. The map function we cannot use here, because whenever we want to perform any transformation on the elements of the iterable, then we utilize the map method. But when we want to iterate through all of the list without performing any transformation or operation, then we utilize filter. So I will utilize here filter method. I am utilizing lambda, and in lambda I am utilizing suppose a variable x, and I need to check whether the original string is equivalent to the reverse of this string. So to print the reverse of this string, we utilize this. I need to reverse every element of the string. So, and here I need to pass iterable as L1, and this we are going to store into the list, and the result I am going to store, and finally I am printing the result. So here you will be able to see Naman is the palindrome string and madam is a palindrome string. Naman and madam. Okay. Now we'll try to check if I am utilizing map method here. See what happens. Naman and Mahi, it is false, and madam is true, because in map method we perform the transformation on the element of an iterable, but in filter method we filter out throughout the elements of the iterable. So that's why it should be filter. If you have any query, you can put into the comments. Thank you.